unified communications is a game changer for SMB customers across Canada. We're seeing a need within businesses, whether they be an enterprise bank or whether they be a small business offering services within the manufacturing space, to be able to have a single solution that brings everything together. File sharing, security of their data, chatting with one another, being able to make phone calls, having customers call in, hosting meetings together. And one of the ways in which we think that we can help small businesses achieve more is by having great solutions like Microsoft Teams and Voice SKU. This brings everything together under one single umbrella, allowing customers to have a simple solution that scales in the ways that they need to.
There's a lot of benefits to join your productivity and communication platform. It's really easy to get started with unified communications because for the most part, it's already taking tools that you're already using and now putting them all together in one single place. People know Teams. They like Teams, they're familiar with Teams. So it's an interface that you don't need to train people on. In the back end is where all the magic happens, where we could build an entire traditional or extra advanced phone system so that via Teams, the user can receive and make their phone calls as if it's their typical office phone. It's all in the cloud, it's all within our ecosphere and the Microsoft ecosphere. So it'll scale, it'll grow with you. You can add users at any time and you could remove users at any time. There's all sorts of redundancy. You can forward calls to an outside cell phone number. You could receive still your calls live via Teams using the mobile network on your cell phone.
So one of the best things that we can talk about in UCaaS, one of the best features is the user experience optimization. So often, when you call a big bank and you deal with them, there's nothing worse than being kept on hold. So having the right IVR set up to make sure the call gets answered every time by the right person is a key differentiator in the workplace right now, making sure you're there to access the calls. So this lets a very small company give the appearance of being a very big one very quickly. It lets you approach bigger clients, it lets you manage your time better, lets you close bigger deals.
If you have multiple different platforms or products that you're paying for, if you have an infrastructure of physical devices that you're paying for. When you look at whether unified communications can save you money, you should look at what you're currently paying for, and then what you would pay for if you were able to get rid of those things and bring together a single solution.
To get what you have to get in other places will cost hundreds of dollars per seat, and we offer that at a fraction of the price. So that's one of the biggest things about SMB Voice is you're getting a full feature, complete phone system, end-to-end delivered by Sherweb, powered by Microsoft. You just can't get anywhere else for the same price point right now in the market.